Hi everyone! Today is time for a walk of Rye in the Mornington Peninsula south of Melbourne, and we are going to Boag Rock. What a name, isn't it? I couldn't miss that. It's just 10 minutes off Rye, and you park the car in a little spot which I couldn't find yesterday, and I had to look into the maps. But I'm gonna put a map right into this video and you will see where to start, where to go, and how is the walk. But let's get into it. And here I am with a map. Now, once you leave Rye, you take the road direction Gunamata Ocean Beach, and this is called the True Man's Road that you see here. You follow the road up almost to Gunamata Ocean Beach, where you will see a parking area along the road, and you can leave a car here. There is a little sign as well which says Boag Rocks. And from here you can have a walk through this easy and gentle track and going down almost to the sea. Just about maybe 50 meters before the sea you will see some steps going up and joining another path, which is a sandy path. Is also used by horse riding, and you walk through here and you go on this other side of a little hill which is here, and from there you can see the Boag Rocks, and you can also experience a little bit of a St. Andrews beach, which is a very long beach, popular with the surfers, especially on this side and in the southern side as well. All along is about a 1 kilometer walk one way, and you can extend it as well along the St. Andrews beach. You can also think to go after that to the Gunamata Ocean Beach, which is very popular with surfers. It's better organized, there are toilets as well, so it's a nice spot to visit once you are into this area. If you're after some lunch, if you go back on the Truman's Road for about 4k, on the left side you will see the sign for the brewery, the St. Andrews Beach Brewery, which is highly suggestive for lunch, but I also highly suggest to book in advance, because twice in a row I couldn't find a spot for lunch. And let's go back to the video now. The first part of this walk is through a track that goes down to the beach. It's a pretty wide track, easy to walk around, no problem at all. Perfect place for both adults and kids to walk around. For kids, I would suggest not just to leave the track and go into the trees, because possibly there are snakes here and there. You know, Australia can be super dangerous, isn't it? These little steps that you can see on my right side, that take you to the coastal walk. It's just probably 20 meters up, and not really too much. And from the coastal walk you can walk down to the St. Andrews Beach, which is absolutely gorgeous, outstanding. There are a few people there usually surfing as well. We're gonna go there, and from there we're gonna see the rock. I hope so, at least. And at the end of the horse path you find basically Boag Rock, I think, because there are so many rocks and it's hard to say really which one. Plenty of rocks, and the best is that you are in St. Andrews Beach, which is a beautiful beach where you can have a walk and a stroll around.
By the way, this video is sponsored by No Plastic in the Sea, because we come back to you. But let me understand, how did this piece of plastic here came on shore? It's incredible what it comes out from the sea, isn't it? So everyone has to do their own little piece to have a better sea and a better nature. The beach that you see here on my back is St. Andrews Beach. Absolutely gorgeous for a walker. So I'm gonna have a nice walk here and do some more footage and then back to the car. And if you like this video, please do subscribe to the channel and put a like on the video, and I see you in the next one. Ciao!